If you want to get on top of the game, you gotta tap into the incredible potential of AI. Say hello to Qiscus AI Assistant, your ultimate AI buddy. As we bring it to more people and businesses around the world, we'd like to share more about it. With skills in composing, suggesting, responding, broadcasting, summarizing, supporting, and even selling, it's a true all-rounder. Ready to see the magic? Responding to customers' chat becomes as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can level up your messages by making it shorter, longer, and even better. And the exciting part, it is also a wizard at streamline bot training, making the bot fast and efficient. Now you can embed your very own knowledge base to train your AI buddy. Easy peasy. Magically summarize all those chats with customers in a flash, saving you tons of time. Qiscus AI Assistant can also help you craft the perfect WhatsApp broadcast messages. Just chit-chat with your AI buddy and the template is ready in a snap. It is like having a lot of agents without actually having a lot of agents. Qiscus AI Assistant, smoothing the way, AI all day.